Hello and welcome to the English Lovers by Honeydee. Today we are going to talk about one important topic of the transformation of sentences. Especially I have made it for the 10th standard students who are going to go through their unit test. And let's go for that. Yeah. So in this video, we are going to particularly look at one term, that is unless. Okay. So we're going to talk about this one, like how to transform a sentence by the use of unless word, or vice versa. Like if the sentence is given, then if an unless is already given in that, then how to turn that in some other case. Okay. So let me tell you at brief yet that unless is used for making some sort of conditional statement in the negative form. Okay. Because it is a combination of if plus not. Okay. To understand it at length, let's go further to the next slide. Yeah, here you can see that we have written two sentences, and talking about these two sentences, if study hard now, you will not regret it. Like here, something which we need to put here, if you, okay, if you study hard now, just consider that as you. Okay, if study hard now, you will not regret it. Can we write it like if study hard now? Yeah. If simply we are keeping it like that also, that is also correct. But suppose we are writing it like this and we have to change it by the use of unless, how the thing's gonna be? Okay, if study hard now, you will not regret it. Okay, that means if you are going to study right at the moment, then later on you are not going to have any sort of regret, any sort of expiation over that. Okay, here you can see in the first case, we have already written the negative sentence in the second clause, like whichever clause is that. Okay, and that one we have written the negative formation. If we are using unless in place of if, then what it becomes? If plus not, it becomes if plus not. That means if study hard now will become if not study hard now. Like what will happen? You will regret it. If not study hard now, you will regret it. Okay, if study hard now, you will not regret it, then that is different thing. If not study hard now, you will regret it. If study hard now, you will not regret it. It means you are not going to regret it later on. Okay, so there is the combination unless is in place of the combination if and not, we can apply unless. So what it will become? Unless study hard now. Okay, you can't write you will not, like here unless means if not study hard now, you will definitely regret. Okay, so that is why the second combination is going to become positive then. Okay, if this is there, then there won't be any negation sign. But we have used a second scenario, if study hard now or you will regret it. Okay, here the two conditions are given, like if study hard now or you will regret it. Okay, that means one condition is that like you can study hard and you can pass, and the other condition is you will regret it or you will regret it. Okay, instead of that one, what you can do is you simply can write unless study hard now. Okay, if not study hard now, you will regret it. Okay, so simply like that you can write. Okay, unless study hard now. Okay, same answer would be there, study hard now, because here it is a different thing, like or you will regret it. So here the condition is different one. Okay, if the statement is like this only, if the negative is there, simply you have to put unless there and your work is done. But in case the two conditions again, if study hard now or you will regret it, that one in the other case, like if you are not going to study hard now, it is in the sense the person is trying to say that you will regret it later on if you are not going to study hard. Okay, so that means unless if we are using, we can just make it possible negation plus if. Okay, if plus negation. Okay, so remember that one. Okay, don't do the mistake in that ever again. Okay, hope you have understood it. Okay, keep it simple with this example. Okay, don't make it complex with that one, because one and the same thing, you have to just make the meaning of it in your mother tongue if you want to. But if you are going to go it by direct method, like simply English to English, that's well and good, I would say. Okay, and you're going to understand well. So that's it for this video. I feel subscribe English Lovers by Hannity and hit the bell icon to catch up with the new videos that I'm gonna make for you to understand in bits all the topics related to English grammar. Bye bye, take care, good night.